What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today we are cleaning up a mess. It snowed and Eric's outside running the snowblower to clean up the driveway so we could get out of here, right? I figured I'd give you a quick update on the pan room. We've run into some difficulties finishing it up. I wanted to share that with you and show you the status of what's going on. So it's Wednesday, what's up? Let's do a pan room update. So we had a big snowstorm out there and Eric's out there cleaning up the driveway with the snowblower. So if you can hear it, that's him out there doing that. One of the things I want to talk about is some of the difficulties I'm currently having with the pan room. So we have the pan room 1 and it's set up with the racks and I've been unpacking everything and it's just sort of in there, right? I've got so much stuff that I need to get out. I need to take down to pan room 2. I recently hired a local young lady to come help me unpack pan room 2. We purchased 20 Seville Classic stainless steel racks, the 6 high racks, 6 tier racks for down there. We filled 18 of them. So I need to get additional racks. But the trouble I'm having is every Sam's Club that I got them from Sam's Club, every Sam's Club in this state and the state next to us are sold out of them. So I contacted Seville Classics and they're sold out of them. They won't be getting them till the end of this month. And I don't know when then Sam's will be getting their inventory. So pan room 2 is at a standstill because I don't have any more racks. So until I'm able to get some, my project is sort of just stuck there. So I guess I can say that pan room 2 has been impacted by the supply chain, right? So I figured since we haven't done an update, I haven't shown you what we've done so far in pan room 2, I figured we'd do an update today because it's Wednesday, right? And Wednesday is all about kitchen gadgets. So come on, let me show you the current state of the pan room. So the current state of pan room 1 is kind of crazy because I've been just unloading boxes and I need to be able to shift some stuff downstairs that I don't use on a frequent basis. So this room right here is a complete disaster. Nothing is organized. There's things up here that I don't want up here. And so I can't really take them downstairs because I don't have any shelves to put them on. So I have some boxes in the family room or the living room that need to come in here, but they're on hold as well. So this is the current state of pan room 1. And this is like pandemonium to me because I'm not used to having my equipment in this state. Everything is just piled everywhere. Here's the Fay Mag. And this is just not me, right? I always have the pan room nice and organized. And this is really hard for me to operate like this. I got mixers piled up. I still have mixers in the boxes. One of my HL6s is still in the box. My Anks are still in the box. Look at these carts are piled with stuff. We got this cart over here. Oh, wait a minute. No, I got both Hobarts out. Got tons of knives down here. I haven't been able to get them in this knife cabinet. This is the state of pan room 1, guys. And this is pretty awful. So if you want to see something that's really awful, let's go down to pan room 2. Right here by the stairwell, we have the Breville Scraper Mixer Pro. We have the Kenwood Cooking Chef still in the box. And we have the Hamilton Beach, which we are going to get to and do a full test and review on. We got a couple boxes over here. So we're down in the cookbook library side of the basement, and I did get all the books out of the boxes finally. The boxes are everywhere though. We haven't had time to break down the boxes And so there are boxes everywhere. So let me show you what's going on over here. So this is an absolutely ridiculous pile of empty boxes that have a lot of paper in them. So we got to get the paper out, break down the boxes. All these were unpacked by this wonderful young lady that I hired. And she really, really worked hard. We even have one down here. Let me move this out of the way so I can actually walk. And so we started putting up the shelving that I bought for Pan Room 2. And it goes all the way down there so far and all the way down here so far. I have a ton of these. I need to get rid of them. I got them for a project that I was working on, and I never did it. So they're like candlesticks from the Dollar Tree. Look at this. Pan Room 2. There is a Zoe bread machine. We have some really cute pictures here. We have lots of plates. Some of my Linux holiday. Yeah. So I am going to spread these shelves out. They're not going to be this close. I want to be able to get in between here. But also, this is what I have left. And not all of this is Pan Room stuff. I got 2 shelves here. Look at that big wine glass that I still have to fill. But I need more shelves. I need at least 5 more. Some of this stuff is like Christmas. Yeah. So that's the current, there's my Ninja Foodie. This is just so much random stuff that I really, I need to get this together. This is my own Williams-Sonoma. There's a Bosch right up there. It is completely unorganized. So these are the ones I'm going to be working on here. Hopefully in the next couple weeks, I'll be able to order some more shelving and we can get this going. Oh, you guys know what that is. The notorious Ovation. Here's another Ninja cooker. I'm going to do a full tour. Once this is all set up, I'll do a full tour of everything that's in here. And hope I have some flags from 4th of July. Yeah, I really can't wait till this is done. But I'm going to be moving some of these shelves. They are on wheels, so I'm going to be moving them down so there'll be space in between and I'll be able to access each row. Look up there, I got an Instant Pot air fryer oven. Here's my favorite bread scale. That definitely needs to come upstairs. Quick side note, if you follow us on the Homestead channel, this is where we're going to be growing seeds. So it's filled with boxes of all kinds of equipment, Christmas decorations, all that. So stay tuned because we got to get this cleaned out because we're going to have to start seeds in February. Oh, look it. Here is my, it's Bluebell Purple, but this isn't what they call it. It's like a lavender Le Creuset. Oh, this is coming upstairs. Oh my gosh, look at that. It snowed last night. Snow and ice. Look at the backyard. Oh, that's crazy. Tons of snow. Eric is really wanting to get out there with his snowblower. So, cooks, that's the state of Pan Room. It's in complete disaster, right? I'm waiting on these shelves. Then I can start getting everything organized. The new kitchen, I have no idea when I'm going to be able to start on that with work. It is on the table still. And so we're going to get to it. It's all a process, right? Particularly with the sort of kitchen equipment collection that I have, it doesn't get done in a day. It seems like that sometimes on like videos, like you don't see the in between, and so it seems like people get things done really fast, but in real life that just doesn't happen. So what's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the state of the pan room, and thanks for joining me on this journey. And we're going to get this set up, and it's going to be fantastic. Happy Wednesday.